I could see it coming. Instead of releasing the ball, he kept on dribbling.
Yung biti ng bola doon sa bandang kanan, ano?
And you can see, the coach is never happy when that comes.
Lalo na ngayon.
Yeah, that was so important to them. Possession is so important. And Larry Fonacier has come back. He had to come back because he never in the zone. They hit 2 3-point shots for you. They went out of the zone. Now he's gonna go to the corners, gonna move the ball. Hindi malilibre yung malaki sa ilalim. I mean, good steal by Kagura. And almost lost it, but there was a foul there
from the rear. Baguio.
Ganda na anticipation na naman ni Kagura, diba? Actually, Kagura has played a great offensive game here in the second half.
I think living up to his name, he began to spark the team, yeah.
Mark the spark. Kala niya makakalusot na siya, lay up there.
Kaya siya medyo bagyang disappointed na kasi.
But at this stage, partner, I would rather have the 24 clock in my favor. I'm up by 5. I use 24 seconds. That's down to 106.
Yeah, that's a good way of looking at it.
I miss, I get the rebound, I have another 24.
Parang huwag mong bibigyan ng oras sa kabila.
Yeah, because that's why the turnover really hurt Ginebra kanina. That turnover earlier of the 8-second violation. So next second going now, he's using a little of the clock and going in. You can feel it.
Barangay Ginebra beginning to get used to the idea that they can win the games by just sticking together in the fourth quarter. So hard work really hinayo dito eh.
Well, alam mo, mabigat ang kanilang small lineup eh. Kasi malilikot.
Yeah. May tira sa labas, may drive.
Lahat may tira sa labas, lahat can score.
Pag depensa, pwede kang sundutan. Aces need to talk things over. Back in Cebu in just a moment. Bench is really into breeding and that's not just being a commercial model, it's really into it. Okay. Power move brought to you by Derby S Premium Formula. Dito ko na sa Liamado, sabi niya sa akin, alam mo sir, hindi naman ako kinakabahan na masyado sa basketball eh. Pero pag manok daw, iba daw, pero gusto niya yung breeding part.
Yeah, you know, breeding is a very lucrative business.
At saka fine art yan. Hindi lahat blessed kung magaling dyan.
Si Big Brother, may anak yan, si Paolo, breeding ng kanyang negosyo. Maganda yan. Breeding sa Luisita yata yun. Kasi daw, madaming mahilig ng araw yan, the older ones.
Of course, our host at Araneta Coliseum.
Si Nene.
Laging venue yan. I attended one and I don't know anything, didn't bet anything, but it's just a joy to watch.
I don't know how to bet on that. Kasi hindi ako tumingin. Ang good old friend, si Mr. Enrique Paco, mahilig yan dyan. Yan ang aking original partner.
That's a fine art also. Anyway, this game is Barangay Ginebra sitting pretty already. Let's see in this play. We'll find out. There's a curl.
And he cannot finish anymore underneath the basket. Ang daming play ni Team Cone sa kanila. And now, of course, Ginebra is gonna use the clock. Kasi really, bago bigay ang bola niyan.
Mga 2 taon. He was smart, huh?
Yeah,
he knew that
the ball go back. Pinapik yan. You know, you'd rather use the clock than take a bad shot.
Open shot. It will stay in!
He has been the hero of the night for Barangay Ginebra. With 5 fouls, he has stayed in the game. Baguio with the outside shot, and
that's it.
Nick has a double-double right now. That was his 10th rebound, and look at that fish.
Kahit kusot ang buho ko. Doesn't matter.
Pero ganyan ang fish na patas eh. Hindi katulad ni Tiger.
Yung sa kanya, medyo Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Right.
And I'm going somewhere with this one tonight.
Well, kung mananalo dito ang Ginebra, parang nakabawi sila doon sa Alaska. Kung yung ano nangyari sa kanila noong masakit.
Totoo yan.
Ngayon nakabawi sila. And by virtue of this victory, they will go to 3rd place. Now, it's up to Derby Ace if they can join them tomorrow because Derby Ace plays Coca-Cola tomorrow in the first game at Araneta.
In the meantime, in our second game, the rampaging TNT Tropang Texters go up against
Santa Lucia.
That's interesting.
Yung San Miguel at Token Tex, parang haramin mo na lang si Bat. Takantayin na lang natin yun, paglaban nilang dalawa ulit. That's the first basket for Alaska
in ages in a long time.
Right. Since I went to sleep. It's been a long time.
It could have been called there. It's Kajiwa. So Alaska will probably review this.
I think God is in the court.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
I think
there was a change.
Yeah,
there was a change ng puting doon. Dapat tinawagan yun.
I think there was already a violation there. No, hindi na tinawagan. And you can have really affected the game because malaki ang lamang. The team is not arguing about whether it would have changed the game or not. But you have to call it. Because that would have been the right call. You did not make the call. Talagang pwede siya magalit. He has every right to feel that that's not correct. Yeah.
Oh, hindi pa tapos ang laro eh.
Yeah. So why did you call it? I read the little lips. But I couldn't read the lips of Marillo, nakatalikod sa akin. Look at Alan there in the backline. Telling his players to stay there, stay there.
It was a traveling violation. They changed the people put there. Come on, this is pin down stance. Tinawagan na. Kanina pa dapat.
Yeah, because he went into the floor. The ball will go to him. Wala naman sa Alaska. So this game is over. I don't think Ginebra's gonna bother to shoot here anymore. You just want to be able to cross the line, beat the 8-second shot clock. And one thing you can say about Alaska, they're still fighting up to the very end. There's still that ball pressure.
Ano ang turning point sa'yo?
I think when Simpson began to miss, when he missed the dunk, he missed the layup. I mean, at that point, just dikit eh. And then, of course, nakahit ng big shot si Tubig, yung mga pasa. And then Mark Padilla also came out offensively to help. They did this without the input.
Rincon, still with his dance.
Yeah, this is like the dancing men, the adventure of the dancing man and Sherlock Holmes.
Wow.
I love that. That's my idol. Because hindi ko alam yan.
Alam mo naman ako, may network lang alam ko eh. Sabi niya dito, final score. Sige, yan ang final score.
105-93.
Yeah. In just a short while, ako masunurin. Best player. Ang best player natin ay pinili mo Dr. J.
Eric, man.
Naman.
I think he was the biggest factor, the guy that kept the team there. And 25 points, 10 rebounds in this ball game. Played with 5 fouls in the end. The anchor of the show defense, picking up the rebounds, challenging when he had to, not challenging when he wanted to preserve the fouls. Biggest factor in the ball game. Then you have to give Kagiwa, Tubig, and Willie Miller also
honorable
the credit.
mention.
Yeah,
yes,
they can come back.
At hindi pa tapos ang weekend ng PBA. Samahan nyo kami bukas dahil sa paulit-ulit namin sinasabi ni Dr. J, maglalaban bukas sa ating unang laro ang Bimag Derby Ace laban sa Coca-Cola Talking Tex against Santa Lucia. Dr. J, the parting shot from you.
So it was a good game. Unfortunately, it had to end that way. Alaska had every chance to put this game away, but they missed some key plays in the end offensively. Maybe they didn't get the breaks in the end game, especially that last call that should have been made. So, they can still come back. They're a very good team right now. They're much better when they started this conference. And they can look to a good future here in this conference.
Okay, thank you very much to our entire production team at the Cebu Coliseum. We are glad that you could join us here today. Big win by another come-from-behind win by Barangay Ginebra. On that note, we'd like to thank you for joining us, but do stay tuned tomorrow when we regroup, present to you your PBA games. On behalf of all the names of the people who are now being shown on your screen, daghang salamat. See you soon. See you tomorrow.